accidentally deposited the same check twice, or need to cancel a mobile deposit ASAP. First, immediately open your TD Bank mobile app. Time is of the essence when canceling a mobile deposit, so act quickly. Look for the menu icon, typically represented by 3 horizontal lines, usually located in the top left or right corner of the screen. Tap on this icon to open the main menu. In the menu, find and select the mobile deposit option. This will take you to the mobile deposit section of the app. Now, look for your deposit history. Find the check you want to cancel. If the deposit is still listed as pending or in process, there's a chance you can cancel it yourself. If it's not, skip to the next step. If you don't see the check in your history, or it's no longer pending, or you don't see a cancel option, your next step is to immediately contact TD Bank customer service. You can find the customer service number on the TD Bank website or within the app's help section. Explain you need to cancel a recent mobile deposit. Be prepared to provide them with details such as the check amount, date of deposit, and the account it was deposited into. The customer service representative will guide you through the cancellation process. Remember, the sooner you act, the greater the chance of successfully canceling your mobile deposit. Good luck!